After car wash, subukan nyo mag-apply ng 845 Insulator Wax by Colinite. So, ito po yung magdadagdag ng high gloss and shine sa ating mga sasakyan, no? Ngayon, applyan natin siya ng Insulator Wax. Papakita ko sa inyo guys na paano pag-apply nito. So, gamit lang tayo ng applicator sponge and microfiber. So, hindi na po natin kailangan pag gumamit ng any buffing machine. Simple hand buff lang, slightly apply lang, is good to go na tayo doon. Mabilis lang to guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Apply lang tayo ng konti. Then, pahid lang natin.
Yo, since 36 we've been holding it down. Colinite polish, wearing that crown. Ceramic sealant, got that hydrophobic flow. Water beads bouncing, watch it steal the show. That graphene armor, resilient and tight. Detailer's trust, keeping paint looking right. Buff it up, shine like a diamond in the night. Gloss so smooth, it's a beauty in sight. Dripping with protection, it's a...
Okay, tapos applyan natin ng microfiber cloth. So, available nga pala guys ng microfiber ni Colinite. So, napakaganda. Original pa. Yun, no? Kita nyo naman yung result, oh. Kintab. Alright, so makikita nyo guys, no, super kintab na siya kahit hindi natin ginamitan ng buffing machine. Kasi meron itong tinatawag na Carnauba Wax. Yung Carnauba Wax guys, no, ito yung ingredients na ginagamit talaga pampakintab sa ating mga cars. Meron din itong UV protection guys para sa paint ng ating mga cars. And meron din itong hydrophobic effect. Kaya hindi tayo basta-basta kakapitan ng mga watermarks or acid rain. Okay? So napakaganda na result, oh.
It's a game changer. Rolling in the whip, ain't nobody in danger. Sipping on the streets, my ride's draped in finesse. With every rub and glide, man, you know we impress. Detailed dreams, I'm flexing hard on the scene. Every spray hits a symphony, it shines so pristine.